Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if Mail app is not working in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So I'm currently on a Windows 11 system and here we have Mail app open. I have added an account to this Mail app, but when I check for mails, nothing is arrived there and nothing works on this Mail app for me for this account. So in case if you are facing the same issue, let us see how you can fix it. Starting with solution number 1, and in this case we will update the Mail app. So if there are any pending updates to the Mail app, make sure you install those updates. Just head over to the Microsoft Store, then go to Library. Here scroll down and locate the Mail and Calendar. And once you locate the Mail and Calendar, if there are any updates available, just make sure you click on the update so that the app can be updated to the latest version and the issue can be resolved. Next we have solution number 2. In this solution we will try to repair and reset the Mail app, and for this we will open Settings app, then go to Apps, Installed Apps, and then in this list you have to scroll down and locate Mail and Calendar app. And here click on 3 dots next to it and then click Advanced Options. In the next screen, scroll down and locate the Reset heading. Here you have first the Repair button. So the Mail app is not working and we can try to repair it without affecting its data. The repair operation may take a while to complete. After repairing the app, you can check if the Mail app is working fine and the issues you were facing has been resolved. In case if you still face the issues you were facing earlier, then you can hit the reset button here, and this reset operation will obviously affect the app data and it will be deleted, but the accounts you have added to the Mail app will not be deleted. In case if you have noticed the Mail app icon on the taskbar has been removed after this reset operation, otherwise you can just go to Mail app and all accounts should be there. Next we have solution number 3. In this case we suggest you to remove the existing accounts you have added earlier to the Mail app and then re-add them in order to resolve the issue of Mail app not working perfectly. So here in the Mail app you have to click on the settings icon, then click Manage Accounts, then click on the account you wish to remove or the account's not working for you. Then click Delete Account, remove this account from your device, and in the confirmation prompt click Delete. You can see that the account is now deleted. You can now use the Add Account button to re-add this account and that will hopefully resolve the issue. If you have signed into Microsoft account on your Windows 11, you can easily re-add that account. Now coming to solution number 4, and under solution 4 we suggest you to check the privacy settings. So simply open the Settings app and then go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, locate the heading named App Permissions. Under this list you have to click on Email. Now here you need to make sure that the email access option is turned on. Also, let apps access your email option should be turned on, and if you expand this section, here you have the option specifically for the Mail and Calendar app. This option should be turned on as well. So all these 3 options should be turned on in order to have the Mail app perfectly working on your system. You need to just ensure that. Now coming to solution number 5. Under this solution, you need to make sure that the mail app is allowed through Windows Defender Firewall. Just search for the Windows Defender Firewall on your system. Then you arrive to this window where you have to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Next in this list, click on the change settings button. Now scroll down, and in this list, first you need to locate microsoft.windowscommunicationsapps, and there is some number along with it. Just make sure that the private and public options are checked here or enabled. That would mean that this app is allowed through Windows Defender Firewall. Similarly, in this list, you have to find out mail and calendar. And for this entry as well, you need to make sure that private and public options are checked so that the mail and calendar app is allowed through the Windows Defender Firewall. Now coming to the last solution for this video, and in this solution we will re-register the mail app. For this you have to right click on the start button and select terminal admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. By default, Windows Terminal opens to Windows PowerShell. In the PowerShell window, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. In few moments, you will find that the deployment operation has been completed successfully, and this means the mail app has been re-registered successfully, and the issues you were facing with the mail app should be resolved now. In case if you are still facing the issue, do let me know your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.